So yes, due to some error that video stopped. We were on question number 6. We have read the question that auctioneer is charging 8% for selling a house, and if the house is sold for this much rupees, find the charges of the auctioneer. So he is charging 8% of 2,30,500. So 8 upon 100 into this, and 0 cancels 0, and you can multiply 8 into 2305 and you will get the answer. The auctioneer charges rupees 18,440. Now next is question number 8. A cistern contains 5,000 liters of water. If 6% water is leaked, find how many liters of water would be left in the cistern. Now children, water left in the cistern is from the total quantity of water minus the leaked quantity. So how much has been leaked? 6% water is leaked. So 6% of total quantity is leaked. So 5,000 minus 6 upon 100 into 5,000. 0 cancels 0. So 6 into 50. 5,000 minus 300. 4,700 liters water is still left, children. I hope this is clear to you. Now let's do question number 10. A number 5.78 into 10 raised to the power 3 is wrongly written as this. Find the percentage error. Remember the example we did? Percentage error is equal to error upon original number into 100%. So 5.87 into 10 raised to the power 3 minus 5.78 into 10 raised to the power 3 upon original number is 5.78, because 5.78 has been wrongly written as 5.87. So this is the original one into 100%. Now I have taken 10 raised to the power 3 common. 5.87 minus 5.78 is left inside. So 0.09 upon 5.78. Why? Because this 10 raised to the power 3 is cancelled by this 10 raised to the power 3. After this, I removed this decimal with this. After this decimal, there are also 2 digits. After this decimal also there are 2 digits. So decimal cancel decimal. Now 9 upon 578 into 100. 900 upon 578. If you will divide it, you will get 1.5%. I hope this is clear to you. Now let's do example number 4. In an election between two candidates, one candidate secured 43% of the total votes polled and lost the election by 4,900 votes. Find the total number of votes polled. Now losing candidate is getting 43% of the votes. So winning candidate will be getting, children, how much votes? 100 minus 43, 57% of votes. Now what is the difference between their votes? 57 minus 43, 14% of the votes polled. Now it has been given that he has lost the election by 4,900 votes. Means this 14% is those votes, children, by which he has lost, and that is 4,900. So 14% of the total votes were 4,900. Please make this step very clear, children. Losing candidate got this much percent, winning candidate got this much percent. The difference between their votes was this. Okay? Now this is those votes. This 14% is those votes by which he has lost. So 14% of total votes is your 4,900. Okay? So 14% means 14 upon 100 into votes polled is equal to 4,900, and you will solve it. You will get 35,000, the total number of votes polled. So since winning candidate is securing 58% of votes, then losing candidate will be securing 100 minus 58, that is 42%. Now what is the difference between their votes? 58 minus 42, that is 16%. So it has been given us that the winning candidate is winning the competition election by 18,336 votes. So these 16% of votes are those votes by which he is winning. So 16% of votes polled is equal to this. and then you will cross multiply 100 that side and 16 will come down, and after solving you will get 114600, 114600. Okay, these are the total number of votes secured. Now we will find how many did each secure. Now losing candidate got 42% of total, so 42% of 114600 we got this. So obviously winning candidate will get 114600 minus 48132, that is this. Is it clear, class? Please, if you have got any problem, ask me. Okay, now further we will do in our next video.